In manufacturing, one broken link can slow down the entire order-to-delivery chain. Fragmented systems, manual processes, zero visibility. These challenges still hold manufacturers back. But Salesforce fixes this by unifying the entire journey from quote to fulfillment in one platform. With CPQ, approved quotes instantly turn into orders. No rework, no errors. Every team gets a single source of truth. Salesforce automatically routes orders to the right plant or warehouse using availability, location, and capacity. Flow orchestration automates approvals and tasks, reducing delays and human mistakes. Integrations with SAP or Oracle sync inventory, production, and shipment data in real time. Leaders gain real-time visibility into order status, bottlenecks, delivery SLAs, and predictive insights with Einstein Analytics. And customers stay informed through self-service portals, boosting trust and satisfaction. With Salesforce, order orchestration becomes faster, smarter, and a true competitive advantage.